Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Coffee with Carl. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been around, you kind of know the gig. So, hey guys, I am so excited to be launching this today. Yeah, we've been kind of on the heels with some Mac users and our apps, and so, we are ready to go. So they are no longer downloadable apps. Everything's web based, and that's why it's working for everybody. So if you're a Mac user, get excited because Spa Wizard and Sit are ready for you. So today, we're going to specifically be talking about Spa Wizard. I'm going to do another video specifically on Sit, but get ready because it's going to change your life. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, so I want to jump in here and we're going to do a quick tutorial. I know I already have one on my YouTube channel, but that was for the downloadable Spa Wizard version. This is the new and improved web app for Spa Wizard that, yes, it does include Mac. So we are super, super excited to be launching these. And I just wanted to go through. There are some minor differences. There might be a couple upgrades. And I just want to show you guys this so you can see the differences and get rocking on this before your season gets too crazy. So once you subscribe to the legacy apps, you'll notice that Spa Wizard here in the middle. The launch button will populate. So we're just going to go ahead and hit launch. And it is going to ask you to log in again. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. And then it populates right here. So this metadata export sheet, this is what you are getting from the online platform that you're using, whether it's Got Photo, Photo Day, Captura, whatever that platform is. It doesn't really matter. So we're just going to go ahead and upload that. And I'm just going to use this one here. And the template CSV, I do get a lot of questions on this and how to set that up. So I do have a sample here, and I'm working on a way to be able to build this out directly in Spa Wizard. So bear with me, that's coming in a later version. So what you can see is here are all of my templates. Right? So I just need a header called template file, all caps. And guys, you only have to do this once. The only time you'll ever have to dive back into this is if you're adding new templates. So I've got my template file, and you can see here's all of the templates that we use. All right. And then here's my append file name. So this is just an append that if I run that specific template, that's how I want that template to append. Okay. So very, very, very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my template list. And then over here is my organization list. So very similar to the template list, I've got my organization list. And what it is I've got league name up here at the top. And then I've got all of my post actions over here. So currently I'm only using the color changing actions. And I've got another YouTube video on how to create those actions. I'm also going to create a new video on not only the color actions, but also the how to change one template from baseball to softball to football, all the different sports, add in all the different logos, so on and so forth. So again, all I'm doing is putting in my league name and then my colors here. All right, or whatever action you want. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my league list or my organization list. Now, mapping this is very, very simple. So this is my image number. And for this spreadsheet, again, every platform is a little different. So I use Got Photo. So in Got Photo, my image number is my photo. And then you can choose either full name or go first name and last name. You can see that down here. So again, Got Photo splits it by first name and last name. So it's not necessary that I upload full name. And then I'm just going to do my group. So once I have those, everything's mapped, and then I can go into my templates. Now you'll notice here, this is one of the little upgrades that I've built in, is presets. So this was a huge question we had. So if you're using the same templates over and over and over again, you can see I've got my top 3 here, which is just those. If I click here, it's going to automatically click those. So if I have baseball templates, so let's say I'm going to use baseball field, I want to use beam, billboard, and then black and white signature. And I want to save that as a baseball templates. I can go ahead and save that. So now if I come over here and I go to my top 3, it's going to switch to my top 3. Or if I need the baseball templates, so I don't have to constantly go through and click each individual template every time. So hopefully that'll save you guys a lot of time. So then I'm going to go ahead and select my organization. And let's just say we're working with Nolensville Stars. It does give me a preview of what my actions are that are going to be running. And then I'm just going to go to export. Now this is this second photo selection strategy. This is for those templates that have multiple images. So if you've got a multi-image template, this is specifically for your second image. And so if you want it to be your first photo, your last photo, or a random photo, so you're just going to select that, and then your output. So I'm just going to call this test, and then it just gives you kind of a preview of everything here. We hit download, and boom, you're done, guys. So what I want to show you is I'm going to go ahead and import that file in here, just so you can see exactly what this file looks like. All right, and so you can see I've got all of my image numbers here. I've got all my kiddos' names here, and here is that player 2 file. So it is my last image for that kiddo, as you can see, and that's repeated there. I do have my team file, my league name, and all of my post actions already built in. And here is my first template with my append. And then if I scroll down, it will automatically switch to my second template, beam, with the new append, all the same names, so on and so forth. So you can see when I run this into SPA, all I have to do is upload this sheet and I'm ready to go. So you can do multiple templates. I mean, in regards to the actions, it is, I mean, impossible to even name the amount of different possibilities you could have with this. You can change colors, you can change logos, you can change sports. So instead of building out 10 different templates with all different colors, this is how we are changing those colors immediately. Plus the dreaded player 2 file. And so you can see it automated all of that. So guys, again, Spa Wizard is a game changer in our industry, and I really, really know it's going to up your automation and save you time. So if you have any additional questions on Spa Wizard, again, I want to reiterate, this is ready for Mac because it's online and you can see how fast it still is. So it doesn't matter if you're PC or Mac, it's still going to work. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, go sign up for the legacy apps and get rocking on Spa Wizard. See you guys.